Gĩthurano kĩnene gĩgĩtabanio tarĩki 9 mweri ũyũ. Ithurano cia ũngabana Mombasa na Kakamega itiatabanirio nĩ ũndũ wa maratathi ma ithurano kwa gũtwarana na marĩtwa ma ahũranĩri iturwa. Komishoni ya IEBC yahandĩte gũtabanio gwa ithurano icio mũthenya wa kerĩ kiumia tũrorete, iria rĩu ningĩ nĩ itĩrĩtio.
Do we have any natural calamity that has happened in Mombasa? Do we have any breach that has actually gone to show that there's been a malpractice? The law is actually very, very clear as well. Sheria iko wazi. Hawezi tu kuinuka na kuamua kwa leo tunapiga kura, kisha ni vipi wenzetu wanajua mapema zaidi ya kwa kura zitakuwa zinabadilishwa.
Kuringana na mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa komishoni ya Wafula Chebukati, ithurano icio itĩrĩtio nĩ ũndũ wa wagagu ũrĩa ũgũmĩire makomishona amwe.
It is very draining, very involving, mentally, psychologically, physically, emotionally, resource-wise. Una create a wave of anxiety.
He need to get permission from court, judiciaries, to advise him either to suspend or make decisions, even if he has challenge in his office. Those are normal. But waking up and give us the news at 6 o'clock is torturing.
The people of Mombasa deserve representation. Ni haki yao kuweza kupata. My friend, you know what's going to happen now? We're going to have limited services at the county government. Serikali ya county itakuwa sasa hivi haiwezi kuhudumikia watu. Wale wafanyakazi watalipwa mishahara kivipi? Watu watapata huduma vipi katika hospitali?
Nao ahũranĩri gĩturwa kĩa gavana kaunti-inĩ ya Kakamega moimagaritio nĩ arũmĩrĩri ao nĩ makomithĩtie gũtĩĩrio rĩngĩ gwa gĩthurano kĩa ũngavana, amwe ao magĩthiĩ igoti-inĩ na kũregana na itua rĩa komishoni ya IEBC.
Tumeenda mahakamani na kesi yetu, tunataka uchaguzi ifanywe tarehe 23, kwa sababu ukiangalia yale ambayo imetendeka, tunaona ni kunyanyasa wananchi wa Kakamega. We have a right to have elections. Lazima gatuzi yetu ya Kakamega ifanye kazi, na hiyo njama Chebukati hatutaruhusu Chebukati kukatizia watu wa Kakamega kupiga kura.
Bairishia kutoka tarehe 9 tukakubali, mukatupatia tarehe 23 tukakubali. Tunaomba tena IEBC chairman Chebukati, tafadhali, tunataka turudi kazi zetu, tunataka tufanye kazi zetu. Watu wamesafiri kutoka mbali kukuja kupiga kura, hatutaki tena utuairishie hii uchaguzi.
So I would like to call upon the people of Kakamega to exercise utmost patience during this difficult moment and give IEBC time.
Hamwe na kũngĩ ithurano itĩrĩtio nĩ icigo 4 cia ũmbunge iria nĩ Kitui ya gatagatĩ, Kacheriba, West Pokot na gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Rongai kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru. Onacio wadi 2 iria nĩ cia Nyaki West mwena wa Imenti kaunti-inĩ ya Meru na gĩcagi kĩa Mũkuru kwa Jega mwena wa Embakasi kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi nĩ ciatĩririo. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.